Problem 147, we're taking a look at a cubic function, so it's a third-degree polynomial, and it's written in standard form. So we're going to have to first of all figure out what these are going to be in factored form and then multiply those factors out. We have two complex zeros, which are these, so that's going to give us a quadratic factor. And we have one real zero at -1, that's going to give us a linear factor. This one's the easy one to work with right now. So if -1 is the 0, that means the factor from that is going to be x plus 1. Now I need to work with the other one. So -2 plus or minus 5i. If that is a 0, that means that x equals that. Those are our roots. So I'm going to go through and work backwards. We learned a couple different methods of doing this. I'm going to do the working backwards method. I'm going to pick just one of these, not both. So I'm going to pick just the positive, and I'm going to get rid of the -1. So now if I have -2 plus 5i, in order to work backwards and solve for the quadratic that it came from, I'm going to move the 2 to the other side by adding 2. So I have x plus 2 equals 5i. And now to get rid of the I, I'm going to square both sides. On the left, x plus 2 squared. So that's going to be x squared plus 4x plus 4. On the right side, the 5i, that's going to be 25 times I squared, which is a -25. I then move that over to the other side and gives me x squared plus 4x plus 29 equals 0. This is the quadratic that gave us those roots. Therefore, that is the other factor. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these factors. I'm going to move some stuff around here a little bit. And I need to multiply them out to write this in standard form. So I'm going to be multiplying x plus 1 times x squared plus 4x plus 29. So going through now and figuring out what each of these boxes are going to be. And now combining like terms. My final answer then is going to be x cubed plus 5x squared plus 33x plus 29. So y equals that polynomial. Hope that helps.